Come here. Come here. You guys are not get respect at all. You see Nigeria police like this.
Jesus!
With a walk inside some, no even greeting. You just a wakago. Abi? Oh yeah, come here.
Oga dey talk to you.
Come here. Move closer. You, come here. Do you turn. You are free. You, come here. Come here, Joe. And they say make you come here. You dey point your wait till happen. You free, Joe. Oh yeah, you come. Do you turn. Hey! Madam, you are under arrest.
For what?
Officer,
Yes, sir. Stop.
tell her the offense.
Wallahi, you are under arrest. You take him for overload.
You carry wetin?
Overload.
You carry overload. For inside koro.
Arrest èèyàn torí pé ó nídìí.
Yes, torí pé di òfò lóní. Ìdí tẹ́ kéèyàn bíi mẹ́fà pé òun nìkan ó kárí ẹ̀. Arrest her!
Ọmọ Nàìjíríà fẹ́ fi dìpa mi. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi dìpa mi. Control the card.